Nasa 9 to 5 ka pa rin ba pero gusto mo na ng mas flexible na oras at mas malaking kita? It's possible through a legitimate online business na pwedeng gawin habang may full-time job ka pa. It's not just a side hustle, it's your step toward real financial freedom. Lahat naman tayo siguro naghahangad ng time and financial freedom. Kaya i-leverage mo ang full-time job mo para simulan ang online business na magbibigay sa iyo ng freedom. By the way, I'm Michelle Garcia Weber. I currently live here in Roanoke, Virginia, but I'm originally from Sipalay, Philippines. Kamusta dira sa mga kasimanwa ko, especially sa Sipalay kag sa Kabankalan sa Negros Occidental. You know what I love about this business? Number 1, no direct selling. Number 2, no cold calling. And number 3, no recruiting. Kasi wala ko dito kung magbibinta talaga ako. Just a powerful automated system doing the work for you. 24/7 po yan guys, kahit natutulog ka. And yes, we have physical products, and that's how we earn thousands in commissions. We are also partner with a company that has been in the industry for 51 years. Actually, nag-celebrate kami last weekend. Yes, this is a legitimate business. We are federally tax registered just like any real business owner out there. We receive official 1099 forms because we earn real income and we pay taxes. But wait guys, yes, we pay taxes, pero nata-tax write-off namin ang mga nagastos namin sa business. You heard it right. That's another blessing of doing this online business. Kaya huwag kang matakot. Kasi, again, legitimate ito. Another, pag takot ka, sabihin mo, hindi ka fluent sa English, hindi ka fluent or wala kang experience sa business, not a tech savvy, oh, no problem po. Kasi all the tools you need are already set up for your success. We have lifetime access to easy-to-follow online training. It's so easy po. We have a personal coach and a mentor to guide us until we succeed. Hindi ka talaga pababayaan. Ara, gid ang imo nga mentor sa imo, kag ang imo nga coach. We have a loving and supportive community that will be with you every step of the way. And yes guys, at first takot din ako, skeptical too. But you know what? Sabi ko, I have doubts, but just like everyone else dito sa community. But I thought about it and akala ko din, oh, scam ito, another empty promise. But deep in my heart, I knew there was something different about this business. I prayed about it. I prayed and I asked the Lord to help me, and I also asked my husband. And so yes, long story short po, after praying and doing my research, I took the risk and joined this life-changing opportunity. If you're still watching this ad up to this point, I believe this is not an accident na nakita mo ang ad ko sa wall mo or sa feeds mo. If you are tired of living paycheck to paycheck, hoping for a change but not sure where to start here with me. And I will help you every step of the way. This is how we went from overwhelmed to owning our time. So click that send button below and send me a message. Sabihin lang you are interested or you're open to know about this business. Let's connect. I can't wait to welcome you on the inside. See you!